make sure to tell people where they can find you on... Hey guys, what's going on? It's DJ Jason Hooper coming at you with another video in the series of how to start a wedding DJ business. In this video, I'm going to tell you 3 reasons why you need a website if you're a wedding DJ and how to get one if you don't have one. So let's go. Hey, thanks for being here. I'm DJ Jason Hooper with WeAreWeddingDJs.com. If you're new here, I want to thank you for stopping by and checking out this video. If you like it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you like my content, please do me a favor and subscribe and hit the alert bell so you're alerted when I put out new content, which is every week. If you don't know me, I've been DJing weddings here in the Pacific Northwest since 2013. I've learned a few things and I want to share with you guys how to become more professional, more successful, and more profitable. And one of those things is definitely having a website. Let's face it, you can't exist as a business, let alone a wedding DJ business, in 2020 without having a website. And there's 3 big reasons why. When people hear about your services, when people interact with you at weddings or events, the first place they're gonna check for you is where? Google, right? And if you show up on Google, you're going to get traffic to your website. Depending on your goals, traffic could be different things, but it should be one thing, and that is getting eyes on your product and service and generating a lead and generating a sale. And a website not only legitimizes you, but it gives you credibility. It gives you social proof. You can post your reviews there. You can link out to other social media platforms. You can post photos and videos. And that lets potential customers know that you're real, first of all, and that you provide a killer service because you have your website to demonstrate it. Okay, so the second reason why you need to have a website in 2020 and beyond is it is your home online, all right? So you probably have a Facebook, you probably have Instagram, you might even have TikTok. All of these platforms are not yours. You do not own them. If Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, Snapchat, if they go away tomorrow, your audience is gone. You cannot reach anybody, and you're going to be back in the Stone Ages in advertising and marketing. However, a website gives you control over all of those things. By having a home online that is searchable on Google, you have a way to always generate business and always let people know you're there. So I recommend getting people to your website at all costs all the time. Make sure it's on your business cards. Make sure to tell people where they can find you on your website. It is great to be searched and found on the social media platforms and to interact with audiences there. And I'm not saying you shouldn't do it. I'm just saying that you need to spend time and maybe a little bit of money investing in a website so that you always will have a home online. You'll always be there. You always can show up in Google. All right, so the third reason why you need a website in 2020 and beyond is that if done well, most of your leads will come from your website. Most of my leads come from my website, probably about 95% of them. I do get leads on Facebook. I do get leads on Instagram, but most of them come through the contact form of my website. So with calls to action, contact forms, social proof, all on your website, they don't need to go anywhere else to book you. And hopefully if you're doing it right, they're coming to you. They're leaving you their email. They're leaving you their phone number. They want to book you. So make it easy on a website. So those are the 3 reasons that you need a website in 2020. And you might be saying, Jason, where do you get a website? Isn't it expensive? Isn't it hard? And I think that is a naive question because you know that it's not. In 2020, making a website is easy as anything. So there are 2 main ways that you can go about getting your website going. And the first one is you could make your own, and there are a lot of websites like GoDaddy, Squarespace, WordPress, Wix, that you can drag and drop elements into a website, have it hosted and get it online, and you're in business. The second way to do it would be to hire a freelancer or hire a company to build you a website, and you tell them what you want and what elements you want to have. You might give them the pictures and the media, and they'll put together a website. Now, I will say that this is the easier route, but it's more expensive. So to me, starting out, you can create a well-designed, lead-catching, business-generating website on your own. And with that, I've got a quick tip for you, and that is get a professional email hosted through your website domain provider that has your website at the end of the address. For example, mine is jason@djjasonhooper.com. It's not jason@hotmail.com or djjasonhooper@gmail.com. And the reason that you want to have a professional looking and sounding email is that it legitimizes you, first of all, but it also subconsciously gets clients and potential clients eased into getting a hold of you. They feel comforted knowing that you are a legitimate business. You care enough to have a professional looking and sounding email, and so they can expect the other interactions with you to be professional. It kind of goes along the same vein as having a professional website. You could tell people, hey, find me on Facebook. Or you could say, hey, check out my website. It's right here, djjasonhooper.com. Another quick tip for you is to start a blog and keep active on it. Now, a blog can be written word, it can be video if that's your thing. Just make sure that it does two things. One, it uses keywords, but not in a spammy way. By nature of writing a blog and writing about DJ things, you're going to be using keywords, so that's going to help you be found in Google. But also number two, and the most important, is be helpful. Solve a problem for your clients. Write an article about how to lay out their wedding, or write an article about how to curate music, or write an article recommending certain vendors to them in your area. There's a number of ways that you can help solve problems and give value to your clients for free. And this is going to make them appreciate you and feel way better about getting a hold of you. They know that you're the professional and they should hire you to be the professional DJ at their wedding, right? And lastly, if you do have a website, make sure you're telling people where they can find you. And this doesn't just have to be Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, although it should be. This is on your business card. This is at weddings. You're telling people, hey, if you're interested in my services, find me on djjasonhooper.com. Because the easier you make it for potential clients and referrals and leads to find you, the better the chance that you're going to be doing business with them, and the better the chance that you're going to become more profitable and more professional, right? So that's it, guys. I gave you 3 reasons why you need a website in 2020, and I gave you a couple tips on where to get a website and a couple things you should do when you have one. So what do you guys think? Do you have a website? If you do, I'd love to check it out. Drop it in the comments and let me know. And if you're struggling with any part about making a website or what you should do with your website, please get at me in the comments. I'd love to help you out. And if you found this video helpful and if I brought you any value, please do me a favor, like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the alert button so you're notified when I put out new content, and share it with your friends. I'd appreciate it. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you have a good week, and I'll see you next week with the next video.